Hello everybody. I'm gonna be doing support and resistance and candlestick psychology, an IQ option. This candle is a continuation sign. When you see this candle, next candle will go up, especially when there was previous bullish candle before, and then you see this one, it shows continuation of the trend. Okay. Let me explain this trade. It's a very simple trade. Explain it. Okay. Like I said, support and resistance. So let me show you. When you look at the previous chart from this point, you can see this is a level that was expected for a very long time. This At this time, the market came to this point, it reversed, came to this point, reversed, came to this point, reversed, came to this point, tested and reversed. This whole area is a very strong area in the market. So that's why when I was at this particular area, you saw me placing trades at this point. I saw this candle closing at this area, and this whole area, it's a resistance area. As you can see, it's a resistance area. So now I knew that the market will reverse at this point, at least for 1 minute. That's why I placed my trade here for lower option. And one more thing, I saw that this candle is a strong candle. This candle acts like an exhaustion candle. Whenever you see this candle, most of the time it will reverse the market. Not necessarily the trend, but the next candle will go down because this candle is like exhausting all the buyer's pressure up to this point. So that is why I placed the lower option here, support and resistance. So you can see at this point, market reversed before. That's the current resistance area. But another funny thing, which is very complicated when you begin, is that most of the time, don't fight with the trend. When you see that the market is pushing to the up, don't try to look for these intermediate levels and try to go against the trend. Try to follow the trend most of the times, because the market, if it's bullish, you need extra candlestick psychology skills for you to make profit. Because if you blindly place trades, you're gonna lose because of strong momentum. Like at this point, I placed the lower option because of this point, because of this candle. The entry previously was very strong. The sellers pushed the market very, very down with a strong candle. Even if there was news release or anything, but the fact is that the market was very, very strong at this point. Not the market, I mean the sellers. So I'm looking at this candle right here, a very strong candle. But the market reached this point, it went down very, very strong. You can see 1, 2, 3 candles, very strong went down. This was a very strong entry from the sellers. So I'm not saying just by that you enter your trade, but use confidence from your candlestick psychology. As you can see this candle form. See what type of a candle form. It's a sign of reversal also, but it can act as a continuation candle, but it's a sign of reversal. So at this point, you place your cells. But let's not exhaust this, what do you call this GBP, JPY. Let's see what other pairs are trying to do. Let's try to see what other pairs are trying to do. Yeah. So when you're trading support and resistance in candlestick psychology, when you see a level, don't blindly place a buy or sell. Try to look at the two candles before that level was touched to see how they are reacting. You know, like you see this a resistance area, and we can see that this is a spinning top. So this candle shows a reversal. It's a sign of reversal. So you can place a sell. Like you see, I didn't place my sell because I'm still looking into other charts, but you can see the market is reversing at this particular point. And this is the point that previously was a very strong sell. So you see the market will try to go down from this point. And previously the market was going up. Now it's releasing the pressure. It might go down maybe up to this point. Maybe. Remember, it's a work of probabilities. Maybe the market can come to this particular point, which is also you can see there is a at this point it was our previous support and resistance area. The market can come and touch this point and start going up. But yes, let's leave this pair. But that's how you analyze the market. Try to check the story behind every candle. Now, one more thing, I want you to avoid this candle. Please, this is a shooting star. And this shooting star, make sure that you can only trade it for a sell if you found that there was strong bullish candles consecutively going to the up, and then all of a sudden at a resistance area you see this candle, then you can sell. But in the middle of a trend, where like you see red candles, green candles going to the up, this candle can work as a continuation sign, and the market can continue to go up to the top, the tip of a wick. And most of the times we make mistakes. I used to make a mistake by whenever I see a shooting star, I sell. Or at the bottom, whenever I see what do you call a hammer candle, especially when it's green, I buy. But for you to trade a hammer correctly, like this hammer, this is a perfect hammer right here, but supposed to be at the bottom, like at your support area, and the market's supposed to be a downtrend before, supposed to be a clean downtrend. Then you see this level, you see this hammer here, that's when maybe you can buy. But if you blindly place a buy when you see a hammer, you're gonna lose your money. You're gonna lose your money. You're gonna lose your money. Yeah. And one more thing, as you can see, I was trading earlier on before I made this video. This was a channel. I made this channel. I saw this channel. The market, whenever it touches this trend line, goes down, touches this, goes down. And then after a breakout, you can trust that the market will keep going down. And there is what in Forex, there's this guy called, I learned this from Falcon. What they are saying, they say there is 90% rule that whenever the market was coming from this particular point, and then it went up with this channel. And then when there is a breakout, the 90% rule says the market will go down at least 90, it will cover 90% of these, which in this case, the market will go down at least closer to this point, which means if you were trading Forex at this particular point, you could have placed your sales, and then at this point is your take profit. As you can see, the market went down, even deep down. So knowing this pattern, that after a breakout of the pattern, this is what you can expect, can also help you as you are doing the 1 minute analysis. It can also help you. It can also help you really a lot. It can help you because it is giving you confirmation that we are on a downtrend. Giving you confirmation that we are on downtrend. Yeah. As you can see, this market is going down, like we were saying, because of this level. You see, this guy right here, it's a continuation sign. This guy right here is a continuation sign. Even this guy is a continuation sign. Just that my internet is a bit slow now, so I'm thinking to close this video here because I would end up making trades with late entry because of lagging internet. So I think I will have to stop here. I'll make another video next time. Maybe tomorrow, I don't know. It just depends. So, but generally, today I'll just giving you this. I haven't said like anything deep or anything special. I will get deep. Just try to comment below. Tell me that you need more lessons about support and resistance and candlestick psychology. I will give you more. There is more to this. There is more to this. There is really more to this. But today I just gave you just a simple hint on how you can trade support and resistance. That don't blindly work with the candlestick psychology along the support and resistance. Don't trade one only. Like for example, let's see how this will behave. Internet is a bit slow, but let's check. This one right here, you know why I placed a lower option? Because of this simple price action. I don't know if we can win it or we're gonna lose it, but what matters is my analysis. Why did I place a lower option? I placed the lower option because I saw the market came from this point, it pushed to the up, and then this candle, like previously I said, this candle is a strong candle, and most of them, you see my internet is very poor, so I can't proceed with this, but the candle went strong to the up, and this candle was a big candle, and this is a small support and resistance area. This is a small support and resistance area. Previously, the market touched this point, like here, and then it was supported to go to the up. It was supported to go to the up, and then at this particular point, it came again, supported and went down. No, now it has to work as a resistance. As you can see, the trade. I'll just place the $1. I'll just test it. I'm not really trading. I'm just trying to give you a lesson on how to play this. You see, we won this trade, but it was simple price action. Like I saw this is a big candle, which shows us that this is exhaustion. The buyers are trying that we want to push up to this point because they know that sellers are ready at this point. That's why sellers, at least for 1 minute, push this to the down. You know what, guys? I'm gonna put more videos, try to explain, try to teach you more how to place proper trend lines and how to trade them. Proper support and resistance, proper candlestick psychology. You know, there are many patterns in candlesticks, more like the ones that are working that I know. There are more than 10 which are working. And today I just gave you a glimpse, but not necessarily give you much, but I'm going to explain more. I hope you remember we had three trades which are very profitable. You remember this one, I said there was a support and resistance area at this point, and this candle was very strong. We placed lower option. If you can still remember, this was the same concept at this point. We were having a support and resistance area at this level, and then the market was going up with a strong candle. We went down, and then same thing, the market was going up. This is the support and resistance area, and then This candle was a strong candle. We place a lower option. Then we want the trade, 3 trades, simple like that. Guys, I got much information on candlestick psychology and support and resistance, many more in IQ option I can teach you. Just comment below if you are really interested in learning. I'm going to teach this thing for free. Keep on commenting, like, share this, subscribe, so that you give me motivation to keep on pushing and giving you great content. My name is B2, all the way from Africa, Botswana. Peace out.